Nimejaza unyama utadhani nimegrow amboseli. Nadai mfuko nono kushinda tumbo ya toli. Ya za lakeside boy after benzo nadai meli. Ndo nionyeshe definition ya grass to grace. Si rap nefanya dini na sioni nikibackslide. Nitajiweka kwa sky juu mini star. Mina do tuko kimoja ka rings kwa lugha Audi. Mungu nibariki na mabob kama mali na ndio maana shughuli kasi ya ganji si ya maana.
So traders, as I said, do you remember me saying that this was a trap? This right here was a trap. The previous video, I said sellers who are selling over here, putting the stop losses above these highs, targeting these lows over here, that they were doing it wrong. It was a trap. This was a trap. And look at what the market has done. Stop them out. Actually, even taken this high, this liquidity over here that we marked. Do you remember? That high over there was liquidated. Look at that. Look at what happened. Then NFP happened. These guys were taken out. The stop losses which were here were all taken out. The movement that we were looking for yesterday, as you can remember, this trade happened today. But it is what it is. Now the same thing is what we are expecting for next week. This is what we're expecting for next week. Now market it's already Friday afternoons New York. It's late New York, and the daily time frame, or rather Friday, is 6 hours to end, or rather the market is remaining with 6 hours 56 minutes to close. And what I'm seeing over here is actually our entry model, but we won't enter this. Is going to pain us, or we can enter it to hold through the weekend, because that is our entry model. The W pattern is over here. Look at this. Look at this nice rejection. This is our nice rejection over here. This is a nice candlestick, as hoping you guys are seeing it. This red candlestick over here. Look at this. It's a pin bar, or whatever the name it is. It's called, or known as. It's a pin bar, signifying our down movement, as the W goes this way, up, down, then up. Now we wait for a candlestick to close above this neckline over here. Are you guys seeing? We wait for a candlestick to close above this this area, like so. Bullish candlestick, of course, like that, to close above. Then we enter at the retest of the neckline, right there. We enter at the retest of this. But this won't happen next week. It will actually happen within the 6 hours. We might take the trade and actually hold it through the weekend, but it's not advisable. But I think I'm going to do it. Let me see. Let me wait. This is what I'm expecting for GJ for next week, for bullish movement for next week. Even though NFP sold, I'm expecting bullish momentum from next week. Buying from these areas, these prices, buying, going up. That is my expectation, and it is proven. It is proven with. Let me clear. You see this break of structure. Break of structure to the upside means a continuation. Let me explain something here very fast. We have this trend over here, making high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs. So this over here is a break of structure. A break of structure meaning a continuation. If price will break this structure over here, this previous high, it is expected to continue the trend, going upward to the upward side. If trend now comes and closes below this area, this low, known as a change of character, meaning now character has changed from bullish to bearish. Okay, now if you come here, the dirty chart is so dirty, but bear with me. This is a swing low, that's a swing high, this is a previous swing high, this is a previous swing high, this is a current low, this is a current high. Okay, price is ranging from this low to that high, and the price has already come and taken liquidity again. Oh my god, look at this. Clone that. This was liquidity. This is an Asian low from Thursday. It has been taken. Oh my god, there's no way this market is going to sell. There's no way, no way, no way possible. I know I'm doing wrong. I'm predicting. It's not okay to predict, but I have that feeling that there's no more selling that's going to happen over here, because already price took liquidity over here, price taken liquidity over here again and again, now price taking liquidity over here, then price already took liquidity on those sellers who are selling over here, meaning the market is well liquidated, has fuel. See, liquidity as fuel to help your car to move from point A to B. Now the market relies on fuel, or rather relies on liquidity to move from this point to another point. Now the market is fully liquidated, waiting for bullish momentum from these areas. Now for me, let me remove this. For me, as the market closes in 6 hours, I'm expecting bullish momentum from this point, from this price actually, from a price of 214.583. 214.583 is this area over here. We're expecting bullish momentum. Let me make this as blue to signify the bullish momentum. Expecting price to be going up, and I might enter. I might. The keyword is might. I might enter. Oh, look at this. Look at these rejections. Look at these rejections. 1, 2, and 3. Oh my, this is sweet. This is sweet. This is sweet. 1, 2, 3 on a support zone. Everything that you could need for a bullish sentiment, for bullish signal to go up. The next thing is, look at the bearish candlesticks. This is a large one, but the preceding one is a small one. The other one is even smaller. All you can wait for is a bullish candlestick to close above this neckline. Then we take the trade over here like this. This is our trade right there. Risking 15 pips, targeting 45 pips to a 1:3. This is what I will be expecting. And if failure to it to happen or to print today, on Monday, expect it on Monday. This is what I'm expecting for GJ as the market closes and as the market opens on Monday. Date date 8. Is it date 8? Yeah, date 8 on Monday of June. So yeah. Goodbye.
Se la pasan diciendo que soy mala, porque no me aguanto, no de nada. Pues si vienes a mi cama.